Hey guys, Smarter with In-Press Computers, and we have a business class talking on the laptops. You got the 749 unit. It's a Lenovo. It's got the Ryzen processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 2 gig video card built on it, and a solid state drive. Now, if you come a little bit up, you got the ThinkPad with the Quadro video card for those who are doing AutoCAD and all the 3D rendering, good stuff. On the other side, you got the thin Lenovo with a 8 gigs of RAM i7 processor and a solid state drive. This is an anti-glare screen, so for those who are looking on working at the office and you got a window behind you, this will work just fine. On the top, you got the entry-level HP business class. It does have a solid state drive with an AMD processor and 8 gigs of RAM. On the other side, you're going to have the Lenovo 15-inch. It's got an i7 processor, a regular drive. You can put an NVMe solid state drive. So for those who are looking on saving storage and go with a faster speed, you can put a very small M2 solid state drive and make it faster. If you have any questions on any of these units, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.